Hello. Welcome to our channel, Mathematics Resource Center. Pause the video, read through the question, and we are ready to begin when you are. 12 and a half of a sum of money is $40. What is the sum of money? So if 12 and a half of the sum of money is $40, right? Let's see what double that would give. So if 12 and a half is 40, then if I double 12 and a half, I would get 25%. So what do I do to get from 12 and a half to 25%? I multiply by 2. So if I'm trying to figure out what 25% is now, I'm going to just multiply my 40 here by 2, and that's going to give me 80. Now I'm interested in what is the sum of money. So 12.5% of the money is 40. So I'm interested in finding out what's 100%. Because I know what 12.5 is of that. 12.5 of the money is 40. So I'm interested in finding that 100%. So if 25% is 80, what's 100%? So how do I get from 25 here to 100 here? I multiply by 4. So multiplying this side here by 4, over here by 4, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing here, which is to multiply by 4. So I'm going to multiply 80 by 4, which gives me 320. So the sum of money is $320. That means my answer is B. And that brings us to the end of our video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.